Welcome back, Gunners, YouTubers, subscribers. A little bit of a weird video here. This was recorded, the next few clips were recorded yesterday. I had called my boy Junior over here to come help me and see if he can get some of these bad scratches out and some of that. So what happened was, let me explain it now. I believe this car belonged to an older lady. And what she did was she bought nail polish, silver, and tried to fill in the scratches on this car. So you're gonna see in the next few clips how Junior actually saves this car from a paint job, which was some of the most important thing for me, is to not put any paint on this car. So enjoy the vlog. I'm going to take the car out now, wash it. This is the day after, but enjoy some of the clips that I put together yesterday so you could see how well we did on this car. I hope you guys have joined the giveaway. I don't know how it's doing right now. Again, I am a week ahead right now. So good luck. If you haven't joined, the giveaway is in my description. You can click that link. It'll bring you right to it. But I really don't know how the giveaway is doing right now. I hope it's doing good. So I hope everyone's surprised too. I love you guys. Let's kick ass. Keep going. All right now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right. All right, guys. Yep, all right. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40? Yeah. Hi. day after. Got a whole bunch of compound and, you know, polish all over the car. Tried to clean up as much as I could yesterday, but I'm gonna bring this car outside. I'm trying to call a PDR guy, man, see if he can get these 2 dents out. Hopefully it works. My man. Alright, I'll pull this car out real quick and just try to wash it up and see how it looks. And I'll also fix this nice little stain on the carpet. Came out in like 2 seconds, guys. Look, not the stain, not the carpet, but look at this floor mat now. So there was a stain like right here. Maybe it'll show better how clean it looks outside. But let me get the car off the lift. Let me bring it outside. Let me hit it with some water and just see how much she gleams. Precautionary reasons, boys. Precautionary reasons. Trying to stay as clean as possible with this car. Listen to the startup though. Let's close that door. See all that dust on there? Alright. So quiet. So quiet. Everything works here. Let's not get demonetized. Everything lights up clean. What a car. What a car. Rolls good. Yeah, man. I can't wait to see like all this little dust off of it. I guess that's like old compound, old polish. But in the light, it's gonna look so much. I mean, look at the interior now with a little bit, you know, outdoor lighting. This car is brand new, dude. Brand new. Wow. Alright, let's just go outside for right now. We're trying to give as much detail. So remember that nasty piece? Look at that, bro. I mean, I'm gonna keep the camera here for a second and just like take a look. All right, let me move around to the other side. We almost had that scuff off there, but we didn't want to put any touch-up paint, but you could barely see it from right here. Hold on. Just trying to give you the visuals. All original paint. So yeah, there's like this 2 little nicks here, but I didn't want to touch that with any touch-up paint. He didn't want to scuff too much, so that's basically. So there's a couple of flaws on this car. That's one of them right there. The hood, it looks like somebody tried to close it with like the hood prop held up, so there's like this little buckle here. That and the back bumper is not in great shape. It's got a few scratches, but for the most part, see, it's got a few scuffs. Lady tried to fix it. Whoever wins the car, try to get an OEM bumper. These are common. You could use a 96 to 2000, but Jesus Christ. All right, let's get some water on this car, a little bit of soap, and just try to get all this nasty dust off here. Be right back, guys. Just watch the water beat off this car. Watch this. What? It rolls, literally rolls right off the car. Hell yeah, we even did the windows. I hope I got to record that. Just some old car soap, right? A little bit of water, not much. Brand new microfiber. Just gonna go ahead and just touch this chassis real quick. Just gonna go ahead and touch this chassis. Oh my God, I love this car. I love this car. I really wish I had space, man. This is the type of car that you would just tuck away for a couple of years, post every few months that you still own it. You know, get a bunch of people to be like, holy shit, what a gem. And then eventually wait for that 50th anniversary and it could be worth a lot of pennies, boys. But I'm just gonna keep cleaning up this car, man. People ask me like, why don't you ever want to get into drifting? all the time, you know, especially going and hanging out with like Jimmy Oaks and Spoon at Middletown that day and the whole crew. I can't beat on machines like that, man. I appreciate these cars so much. They like have personalities. I was thinking about even giving it a name, calling it the Silver Dollar. It's just so clean, you know, Silver Dollar. It's rare. And when you do have one, it's in mint condition. But let me keep washing this car up. I ended up doing the car in sections. So I did the entire front end, the front windshield. Then I moved on to this side here. A little bit of the trunk. Hell yeah. I got all under there too. Man, we almost had a perfect car if it wasn't for that little area right there, man. I'll tell you one thing, it's one of the cleanest though in the world. One of. Yep. Almost, dude. Alright, I gotta take care of this side. I'm pretty much done. I gotta tell you a crazy story about that plate frame right there. I'll tell you guys before the end of the vlog. Crazy story. Alright, let me get to work. I won't bore you guys with this. I'm going to dry it as much as I can with the blower and then a fresh microfiber and dry the entire car like that. Then I have to open up the doors, open up the hood, the trunk, and get into the jams because sometimes some of that, you know, compound and polisher gets in those areas. So back to this. Car is dry, boys. Car is dry. 2 microfibers, dried it up real nice, clean, sweet, simple. Start to get into the drawer jams a little bit. That's next up. This is the, well, that's the only thing on the interior is the seat right here. But I don't think anybody ever sat in that one or in the back seat. Look, it's mint, mint. Huh. All right, let's get into these jams now. Maybe another day. I tucked this guy in, pause. Pause, that's crazy. I tucked this guy in, pause, right before that shit show started. Okay, jams all wiped up, clean, dry. Look at that, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Yeah, it's dried up. Cleaned all the gaskets. We're looking money on both sides. I started moving over to the engine bay. It's humid though, I tell you that much today, it's humid. Cleaning up whatever water got in here. Gonna get the blower out again, pause. Start getting into all those nicks and crannies, but I'm having a good time. Frank is on. If you know, you know. I'm done, guys. I am finito. Everything has been wiped, cleaned. You know, you get the little water right here, all dried up nice and clean. Wipe down there, pause. All the jams are called for. Pushed out water as much as I can. Go back over it again, maybe spray wax it, but yeah, smooth as a baby's booty. Pause. Why not? Right? Why not, man? What a car. What a car. What a car. That's it, guys. I'm going to put this car on a lift and call it a day. I have to go take care of some stuff with my family. I got to pick up my daughter today from school. I'm going to surprise her. Her birthday's coming up October 18th. I'll go get her a nice little teddy bear. She loves teddy bears. But yeah, pretty much done. Pretty much. You heard that knee crack? You heard that knee crack? I love you guys, man. Thank you for tuning in to another vlog. I know it wasn't, you know, super entertaining, but I kind of just wanted to show you how we saved this car from getting a paint job, which is ultimately what us car enthusiasts want to stay away from. No shade to body shops. You guys kind of take too long. It's very expensive, and some of y'all work is trash. I said what I said. So good work ain't cheap. Cheap work ain't good. So I guess go by that saying. Shout out to everyone viewing this vlog. If you haven't gotten a chance to join the giveaway, the link is in my description. If you want to try your chances, we have a limited threshold. Again, I don't know. It might have sold out the first day. It might have sold out the second vlog. I don't know. So wherever we at right now, at least it's content. I love you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Keep going. I almost forgot to tell y'all the story about the license plate frame. Hold on. This car was purchased 1996 at 210 South Broadway, Yonkers, New York. My mom owned the grocery store at 248 South Broadway, Yonkers, New York. So while Honda was on South Broadway, I might have walked by this car as a kid while it was at the dealership. Maybe, maybe not. But I just found it crazy that this car came from where I grew up, right down the street. I don't know. I thought it was special.